So the bearer here is asking me the question on affiliate marketing, and I'm willing to share with you what we discussed and explain further what the interaction was. So can I make an X amount on affiliate marketing? Definitely you can make any amount on affiliate marketing depending on understanding the solution, the affiliate platform, and getting enough traffic to your affiliate links. So the question was, how can I do that? How can I get an X amount every month through affiliate marketing? Okay, and I said set up an email campaign. Now, what do I mean by that? Email campaign is indeed that you generate leads. Leads are your potential customer, your list, your email list, or your email leads. So when you start generating email lists, you will now want to be creating content that refer your list, your following, your email list to the product. And you keep doing that because they're already on your email list. Unless if they unsubscribe, you would always remarket to your email list every new product and every new offer. So that means that the more you have your email list growing, the more you can always remarket to that email list. And that was the recommendation I actually made. If you note that the question now asks, can I just use Google Ads? Yes, can I drive traffic? Because what your affiliate business needs is traffic. Traffic means a lot of people, seeing your offer, clicking on your link and going to purchase. In fact, if they click on the link, they can actually there are commissions for link clicks because that is also profitable to the business owner. So in this context, we were actually discussing CJ, and CJ is one of the affiliate platforms that you can actually sign up, okay, wherever you may be, probably in Nigeria or thereabout. I've done some videos on CJ, and I think the link will be available there. So my discussion with this bearer is to encourage the person to set up a funnel, a means whereby he can, generate prospects, generate leads, and then use his affiliate offers that he has to remarket, creating content, remarketing to that list. If you have built an email list on a specific niche, probably on health niche, you want to sign up for affiliate products, affiliate programs that offer health solutions, and you want to be referring or directing to your list health related topic. That means they know what they'll be receiving from you, they know the niche that you major into, and they will be willing to always click and open your emails once they receive more adverts or more email content from you. So the question he asks is, can't we just use Google? Can't we just drive traffic directly from Google to the affiliate link and just have the commission directly? It is possible. There's nothing impossible. It is possible, but you need to look at the cost, okay, per conversion and the cost per leads that you are traffic that you are generating. When you are generating traffic at an X amount per cost per link click, when you generate traffic from Google, let us say per link click, you are generating like $5. You are spending $5 for per link click, and each link that you pay Google $5, does that link worth $5 or more from the affiliate program that you are driving traffic to? So if it doesn't worth that much, you want to have control of your links, of your clicks. Okay, the essence is that if you are driving traffic from Google and you are paying Google on each traffic Google generates onto your affiliate products, if that cost per click or cost per result is profitable, then the amount you will be paying Google will not matter. If you are paying Google $5 and you are generating probably $10-20 every blessed link or every blessed click, then it means it is okay to just keep driving traffic from Google onto your products, and you make sales or you make commissions from your products, which will cover the cost per creating that campaign. However, it has been proven over time that the cost per conversion is always is uncertain. So what we are looking at is that you will be paying Google X amount of money, but the conversion, the sales at the affiliate end, it's not certain, because it is until the person probably goes there and make a purchase. So it's not certain that they are going to make that purchase, and immediately they can make it down the line, probably 7 days or thereabouts. So you want to really look at how you can actually control that audience, so that the first thing is that you are driving traffic and you are generating the email list. You are already grabbing the traffic, and with that you can then remarket to the offer, and you can always remarket to that list because the list is already with you. However, if the cost per traffic, the cost per generating traffic is significantly small, okay, and there are other PPC programs outside that you can enroll, and you see cheaper traffic sources, cost per traffic against the products or the offers that you are driving traffic to, you will not need to keep the traffic first. You can just drive the traffic to the sales page, to the product page, and that is something that you can always do. So look at another thing you can do is to look at getting free organic traffic, and you can get free organic traffic if you have something to offer, probably a blog that has option to subscribe for monthly or frequent adverts, or probably some free course or free events. There are a lot of things you can do. It's called freemium, where you give out free value in order to generate the leads, and in order to generate the email list, and you then offer them paid value. So there are a lot of modalities that you can actually make use of. There is no one-way traffic, there is no one-way perfect, but if you have generated and if you have found a good traffic source all over the world on a global level, and you are driving traffic to your products, and the products are being purchased, then you will keep any commission from the affiliate efforts, and this can go to any amount. You can make quite a lot of residual income, and you can make that an auto funnel process, whereby you just keep paying for the traffic and you keep earning from the conversions at the end of the day. So there are lots of models out there that you can actually consider. For the conversion, it differs, different niches, different demand, different targeted location or audience. So you don't have one-way traffic. You just have to understand what works and implement it and see if it works for you, and then you can use it and scale it. And this is the example and explanation that I have on this topic. I am willing to listen, and I'm willing to learn from you if you have further opinions on this matter. I really say thank you and God bless. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and be a part of my community. Thank you. Bye for now.